Hi guys, this is Ms. Small. I'm going to just talk to you about this planning document that Mr. Juma and Ms. Kaur and I work on every week. So the reason that I'm showing this to you is because it includes the data collection tool that you guys can use in class. So this is in Google Sheets, and it's called Planning Core Juma, and I'm going to send you the link as well. Across the bottom here of this document, you can see a number of tabs. Each one of these is a separate sheet. Okay, this is a spreadsheet made of like a whole bunch of sheets of paper. So the ones that you'll want to look at, the math ones are both orange, science is blue, social skills is green. So you're going to want to look at the ones that say data. Okay, so let's just start with math here. So all of the students in math for Ms. Kaur and Mr. Juma are listed here. It doesn't really matter who the teacher is because we're all using the same document. They are broken apart by teacher, but again, just find the students that you are working with. The date is right here. So this is the week that we're going to be talking about. This is next week. And the three things you want to be looking for this week are named right here. So Mr. Juma and Ms. Kaur and I identified the objectives for the week, and then we thought about what does that look like when we're collecting data? And these are the three questions that you'll be wanting to think about as you are observing students. Okay, so for example, if you're working with Vanessa and Josh and Gay, let's say you have a breakout room of 3, then you're going to want to be looking for, can the student name a pattern as increasing or decreasing? Can they name the pattern as same or different? Can they find the range of one data set? So you can put an X, you can write yes, okay? And then in each of them, let's say she could do the first one, not the second one, and yes, she could find the range. So then here in notes, you might say, supported with extra verbal prompts. And then maybe she needed some help with the pattern. So she needed extra visual reminders. Okay, so that would be an example of what you could write here in notes. Okay, now I'm going to delete this because this is not real data. All right, let's look at science. So science is the same, it's a different color, but again, you'll see the students here broken down by class, okay? And here are the things you're gonna be looking for this week. Making a prediction. Can the student make a prediction? Did the student actively observe the experiment? So they're gonna be watching a video. So you're gonna need to look at their eyes. Are they paying attention? Do they ask questions, or can you tell if the student is actively observing? Then are they able to talk about what happened in the experiment? Okay, they can type the answer, they can tell it to you, and then again, you're going to do that same thing about a level of support here. If the student's absent, then you just write absent here. Okay, and finally, social skills. Okay. So again, here are the students. I just noticed something of a friend. So this is for next week. These are now Miss Kaur doesn't have social skills. She has Miss Eisenberg next week. So there will be no data for her students next week. She'll catch this up later. So the idea is that every week, these data collection, I will move all of this from this week down on the page, and the spot for recording data for the current week or the next week will be at the top of this sheet. Okay, so I'm going to send you the link to this document. Please add it to your drive. So where it says here a little plus sign, sorry, oh, it already is in mine. So you'll see a place that says add to drive. Make sure you save it in a place where you can find it every day. You might even want to put a star on it. So that you can find it. Be careful about what changes you're making because this is an important document that we're all using. So we just want to be respectful of what other people wrote. Don't change anything other people wrote. Okay, so you're going to be looking at the math data, science data, social skills data. Okay, and if you have any question about who you're working with that day, make sure you ask your teacher and they will let you know what students you're taking data on. Okay, I hope that this helps and that it will go more smoothly for gathering data. Bye.